Today I am going to cook a delicious sweet potato curry with dried sprats. First we need to peel off sweet potatoes and wash them very well. Then cut them into cubes and put into your cooking pan. Add green chilies, rampe, curry leaves and onion. Then we need to add cinnamon, salt, curry powder, chili powder, fenugreek and turmeric powder. Finally add coconut milk and mix well to combine all ingredients. After that we need to add dried sprats. Now cover and cook this until sweet potatoes become tender. Don't forget to stir constantly. When sweet potatoes become tender, transfer this curry to another bowl. Heat some oil in your cooking pan. If you don't like to add oil, you can ignore this step. Add some curry leaves and mustard seeds into oil. After that, add cooked sweet potato curry and mix it thoroughly with oil. In the next time, hope you will try this delicious sweet potato curry with dried sprats. Next day onwards, I am planning to make some Christmas recipes. To get all those videos, subscribe my channel and ring the bell.